ang dami mong masasabi mong magic eh. Magising ka lang sa umaga, parang magic na yan. Yung libreng oxygen na hinihinga mo sa araw-araw, parang magic na rin yun, di ba? Yung bang yung sunlight, 'di ba? Pagka yung sinag ng araw, 'di ba? Parang magic din, 'di ba? Araw-araw nangyayari. Napakadaming magic na nangyayari sa buhay natin na minsan ina-underestimate lang natin, no? Oh, 'di ba? Oh, shout out. Ayan, eto, try natin ulit. Another David Pomeranz song coming up next. King and Queen of Hearts. Yan. Etong kantang to, ito yung mga
Argentina,
maalala mo
Tender
pagka
Tapa.
yung
Notang
high school
Bifisa.
ka noon, no?
79 lang.
Pag narinig mo tong kanta na to, parang magbabalik ka yung isip at saka alaala ng mga high school days mo. Kasi di ba pag JS Prom, ito lagi yung tinutugtog, lalo na pag coronation na ng King and Queen of Heart. Pag junior and senior prom night, di ba? Oh, maalala nyo, di ba? Where the King and Queen of Hearts hold me when the music starts. All my dreams come true when I dance with you. Promise me you're mine tonight. I won't wait in line tonight while the lights are low. I'll never let you go. And did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I prayed would never end? You know it's not my imagination or a part of the orchestration. Love is here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Time will pass and tears will fall, but someday we'll both recall moments made of this golden memories. King and Queen of Hearts by David Pomeranz. Did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on the night I'm afraid would never end? Oh, no, it's not my imagination or part of the orchestration. Love is here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen in a once and future dream where the dancers never seem to stop. Did I dream that we dance forever in a wish that we made together on a night that I prayed would never end? Oh, no, it's not my imagination or part of the orchestration. Love is here at the coronation. I'm the king and you're the queen of hearts. Yan, di ba? Oh, sabi ko sa inyo magbabalik tanaw or yung mga alaala mo, babalik sa kung kailan yung kapanahunan ng iyong JS prom night. Yan, di ba? Kasi laging kinakanta yan pagka malapit ng coronation ng King and Queen of Hearts. Oo, di ba? Maalala niyo yan. Alright, that's a song by David Pomeranz, King and Queen of Hearts.